In this video, you'll learn how to cancel a Wecasa appointment through their website. This process will ensure that you can easily manage your bookings and understand any potential cancellation fees involved. To begin, navigate to the Wecasa website using your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled My Upcoming Appointments. This is typically located in the main menu or your account dashboard, and selecting it will take you to a list of all your scheduled appointments. After you access My Upcoming Appointments, you will see a list of your bookings. Identify the specific appointment you wish to cancel. Click on the booking to view more details about it. This action will open a detailed view of your appointment, including the date, time, and service provider information. At the bottom of the appointment details, you will find the option labeled Cancel My Appointment. Clicking this button will initiate the cancellation process. It is important to note that once you click this option, you may be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel. Upon confirmation, you should be aware of the cancellation fees that may apply if you cancel more than 24 hours before your appointment. There will be no charge. Cancellations made between 24 and 8 hours before will incur a £5 fee. If you cancel between 8 and 4 hours, the fee increases to £10. For cancellations made between 4 and 2 hours, the fee will be 50% of the appointment cost, up to a maximum of £20. If you cancel less than 2 hours before, you will be charged 80% of the cost, capped at £30. As an additional tip, consider messaging your professional before proceeding with the cancellation. This can provide them with notice and possibly allow you to request a reschedule instead. Engaging with your service provider can facilitate a smoother process and potentially avoid cancellation fees altogether. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.